So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Optimism cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is open, go to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're on the Explore page at the top where it says search by name, go ahead and search up Optimism. So just type in Optimism like this, or you can type in ticker symbol OP. It'll bring you to the same thing, then go ahead and select it. Once you're here at the bottom, press buy. Then on this page, you can type in how much Optimism crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $4 worth, you type in 4. You can do decimals as well, like $5.87, like whatever the amount is, go ahead, select it, and then press review. Then on this page, you can review how much Optimism crypto you're going to be purchasing, the fees, the cost. And if this looks good and you want to review and submit the order, go to the bottom, swipe to submit the order that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Optimism cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.